Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your iPhone has Bluetooth, location, and the latest iOS. This ensures reliable pairing. Once done, open the Find My app and tap items to add a new item. Make sure your Apple Tags battery tab is removed so it broadcasts. Hold the tag next to your phone until the pairing animation appears. Follow on-screen prompts to name the tag and assign it to your Apple ID so it's linked to your account and ready to track. Once paired, attach the Apple tag securely to the item using a keyring, loop, or adhesive. Choose what fits the object so it won't fall off. Next, open the tag settings in Find My to name the item, enable precision finding for supported iPhones, and configure notifications for left behind alerts. This helps you get alerted before leaving something behind. Also decide whether to allow friends or family to locate the tag. Once configured, your item tracking is tuned to your daily routine. You finish by testing the tag. Use play sound and precision finding to verify the tag responds, and your phone shows accurate distance and direction. Once satisfied, check battery level in the tag settings and plan to replace the CR2032 cell when it drops. Keeping battery healthy prevents false alarms. If the tag becomes unresponsive, make sure Bluetooth is on, move your phone within a few feet, and restart if needed. This simple trouble.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.